So let's talk real quick about resizing as well as moving pictures. Pretty simple process. First thing I want you to do is make sure your show transform controls are turned on. So just a simple click right there turns them on. For the most part, that's going to stay on once you turn it on. Second key is make sure you clicked on the layer of the item you either want to resize or move. So for this example, let's go to the tennis ball layer. So I'll click my layer in the layers panel. Notice the transform controls are visible around the tennis ball. And if you're going to move it, just make sure you have this tool clicked. So first, let's just make it a little bit larger. So I can drag the corners in any direction. Right, and then as far as moving it, if you have the move tool selected, it's going to move. Okay, so let's do that. To accept your changes, either hit enter or just hit check mark. Let's do the same thing. Let's do the soccer ball this time. So there's the transform controls around the soccer ball layer is selected, move tool is still turned on. Okay, I can move that anywhere I want. Let's just kind of have it hanging off the screen a little bit. This golf ball, for example, click my golf ball layer, transform controls still on. You can see them right here, move tool is ready. Let's move it up and then let's just make it a whole lot larger. It does get a little blurry, but as soon as you accept the changes, some of that will fade. Pretty simple process, moving pictures, resizing pictures. Again, make sure you're clicked on the layer that corresponds to your picture. Look for the transform controls to be on, and just make sure you're on the correct tool. Thanks for watching.